Today is National Teachers Day. Teachers can make amazing students. Of course, with the students and their parents' help. And we have got two amazing students on the line who are semifinalists trying to win Warren Buffett's Grow Your Own Business Challenge. And these two brainiacs, Keena and Meredith, we're going to find out if you're finalists this week. Now, what did you two invent? How are you doing this morning, first of all?
Good. Tired, yeah.
Hey, we've been up since 3:30. I don't want to hear any complaining.
Now, your team name is called Bits and Pieces, but the project that got you into the semifinals is called Bits. What is that?
Well, BITS is a bathroom installed tornado shelter, and it's a bathroom replacement or insert that provides protection from the dangerous winds and projectiles of a tornado. And
Wait a minute. How old are you two?
I'm 12.
Is this
I'm 13.
Keena, you're 12?
Yeah.
And Meredith, you're 13.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, there's someone who's not watching the Kardashians. I can tell you that much.
That's like a bathroom safe room, and it sounds like something that should be in every home, especially where we live. How'd you come up with that idea?
Well, there is a Lego Robotics challenge. Me and Meredith are both in Lego Robotics, and each year they have a different challenge. Like the year that we created this, it was a natural disaster challenge, and we had to find out a way to keep people safe or find a way to kind of help along with the situation of natural disasters.
Wow.
And that's kind of what we came up with as a team, and it was really fun.
With minds like that, I bet you two aren't watching too much TV, but when you do watch TV, what would your favorite shows be?
Only like Shark Tank and Whose Line Is It Anyway?
Ah, okay. And this is kind of like a Shark's Tank challenge. If you guys, first you make it to the semifinalists, we're going to find out this week, then what's next?
The finalists. And if we're in the finalists, we will be voted upon, then traveling to Omaha.
To meet Warren Buffett?
Yep, that's where we meet him. If we win, we'll get it's about it's $5,000 per person.
Wow, that is incredible. Do you have any special teachers you'd like to give a shout out to that have helped? I know your parents were big encouragers, but what about the teachers?
Mrs. Jody Foreman. Yeah, GT teacher.
Well, since today is National Teachers Day, would that not be so cool if you guys made it into the colleges of your choice?
Yeah.
And then credited Mrs. Foreman with you guys making it in? Like, what schools do you both want to go to?
Well, maybe MIT or Harvard.
Oh my gosh. That's Keena. Meredith, what about you?
I was also thinking MIT, maybe Stanford.
All right. We know how smart you are in science and math, but let's see how smart you really are. Why don't you try singing us our favorite Sunny song if you know it?
Sunny 99.1.
Look at that. You guys are the best. Thanks so much, girls. And let us know if you made it to the finals in Warren Buffett's Grow Your Own Business Challenge, okay?